What's going on, guys? God bless you. Carlos here with Toronto's Mobile Detail in Dallas, Texas. Happy Tuesday, guys. I hope you guys are having a blessed day. We are out here at the Aqualux headquarters with my good friend Landon, and he's working on an interior, which very rarely have you seen him do interiors, but he's out here killing it on this Mercedes. But I'm going to show you guys a tool that I think many of you guys ask about. And obviously I haven't posted it on my channel because obviously I'm a die-hard Vortex guy, but this tool will definitely help a lot of you guys. And if you've been looking for a tool to maybe help you with your interiors, maybe this tool will help. Yes, the price is a little bit higher than your regular Vortex or your regular Tornador just blower, but it has benefits to it. So stay tuned and let's get right to it. Alrighty, guys, so let me start this real quick video or product review on this. This is the Tornador Black on Amazon for around $180. If you got Prime, I'm sure you can get it in 2 days. But there's other links where you can find this one here. All right, this product right here is really good for those details where you have maintenance clients and you want to give it a quick, just a quick wipe down, a cleanup. This definitely comes into play. All right, as well as many other scenarios, which I'll talk about it real quick. But I want to talk to you guys about obviously this cone shape. I like it. It's long, and then I like the inner tubing. I'll show you really quick, and then I'm gonna show you guys on this door. The inner tubing, this is one of the reasons why Tornador, you're gonna pay the premium price, you're gonna pay the higher price because they are well built products. So hopefully you guys can see it, but you have these brass, and I mean this is looks like it's metal. Yeah. And obviously this will never break. As to the Vortex, I'm sure you guys have had many issues where you guys have asked me like, yo Carlos, my Vortex, it broke. Yes, obviously I paid $40 for them and they break. So it looks just like this. And if we want to compare, obviously you have a longer cone, obviously better, I feel like it gives you a better funnel. It blows, they blow the same, but I think this one just kind of gives you, so we have a plastic for 40, this one's $40. All right, and then this one's metal, so this thing is not gonna it's not gonna break. As to the plastic one, this one, it will break. It tends to diminish very quickly, to be honest. So I've had issues with this obviously, but I mean for $40 I can't complain really, guys. And this one right here is just well built. All right, it has two modes. It has two modes, guys. Obviously, the Vortex for $40, you get only air, right? This one's $180. You get air, and you get obviously product coming out of it. So it has a on and off. I think this is for your product. Then you close it, and you get straight air. All right, very cool. For this one, you will need a compressor that is higher than like let's just say you need a 5.2 6.4 CFM at 90 psi. So if you have a 6-gallon air compressor like the one I have, this is not gonna work. I'm telling you right off the bat. Unless you're pulling that CFM enough, then yes. But usually I say if you have a 10-gallon air compressor, you should be okay. You just want the CFMs is what I've learned is that it's what you really need to push it. So constant pressure, because with the 6-gallon I've used this and the pressure just goes down very quickly. So you don't want to have that. So if you plan on buying this, plan on having a air compressor strong enough to pull the product and the air at the same time. But anyways, let's show you how this works. And here I just have a simple solution of Uber rinseless, and we're gonna use it for this door panel. All right, very quick and simple. So this is a great tool, obviously, if you're working with maintenance cars. But again, I'm always gonna say, many of you guys say, do you really need this? Yes, you need it, but at the same time, when you have areas where, you know, this can only do so much, you will need to agitate if it has a lot of makeup. You know, if you have a lot of makeup, you need to agitate no matter what. But it's really good for, obviously right here where it was clean. I use the Uber rinses, and man, it looks really well. But even when you have this Tornador, you will need to have maybe a brush to do the agitating for you as well. This can only do so much, and if you're working on a hammered interior, you'll need more than just this one. You'll need a brush to get it done. But the beauty of this is just that as it's spinning, it's cleaning it, and you have no issues. But overall, for the cost, it's a great product, really well made, no issues with it, other than if you're doing like interiors, you can literally put maybe your cleaner in here, and then you can go to that carpet. If you don't have like an extractor, but you do have this, trust me, you can literally use this with your product and agitate that carpet, and trust me, you're gonna get some pretty amazing results. At the end of the day, you don't need a lot of this equipment that you see on many channels. You can literally just afford some things. If you think outside the box, this will do the job of an extractor. If you have a wet vacuum, that's all you need. But this has multi-purpose reasons to buy it. For the price and the cost, I really can't complain. But it's a really well-made product. All right, so I'm gonna be posting a link, obviously, of this, so you guys can go and check it out. It is a really good product, and then you can literally close this after you do your solution. You can literally close it and just blow it all off. And done. Very simple, very quick, guys. I really didn't want to make a long video on this, as I'm sure you guys have seen many videos of this, but I did have somebody ask me like, hey Carlos, can you do a review on the Tornador Black? So I was like, sure. Previously we had done a video with Landon a while back where it was literally like, go to my channel, see this, and then go to his channel, and you can see the comparison as to why. You know, and one of the main reasons why I did say I didn't like this one is because of the weight. All right, sometimes I literally have to be holding this on my left hand, and you guys can already see this thing looks so weird holding it in my left hand, so I can't hold a lot of weight. So sometimes that's the reason why I wouldn't use this, but that's just because I'm weak. I'm a weak dude, man. I need to go work out. But anyways, it is a really good tool. Even if you don't need it, sometimes this is a lifesaver. Literally, you can keep it in your car, and there are gonna be those scenarios where you're like, oh, I do have this, let me go get it. And trust me, it's gonna save your time. It's gonna help your business tremendously. Even customers come out and see you using this, they're like, oh, what is that? And guess what? That customer probably ends up buying it too, because he saw it on yours, and they want to have what their detailer has, right? And they end up buying a lot of the stuff you have. So when you come up to their place, they're like, hey, if you need this, I have it, or if you need this, I have it. And I'm like, okay. But anyways, I hope you guys have a great Tuesday. Again, I hope this review kind of helped you guys on your next purchase. You know, if you're starting your detailing business, this can definitely be a one of those purchases that I highly recommend. Not needed. Obviously, I use a Vortex air tool all day, and that's it. You know, and somebody asks or wonders like, how do you clean without the Vortex? Simple. I'll spray my solution, I'll come and agitate, I will blow it off with my Vortex, and that's it. Obviously with this is just one step. Open, close, and blow it off, and you're set. So I hope you guys have a great day. God bless you, and you guys have a great day.